Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to cut around an image in Lightburn. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to select the image itself, right click on it, click on trace image, and then you have to select the fade image option. Now basically what we're after is the outline of the image itself right here. So let's just adjust the threshold accordingly, and right after making sure that everything is selected, we then have to click on OK. And basically you want to hide the first image that we have made or we have imported by disabling the show option. So it will only show the highlight or the trace of the image itself. And if you want to simply separate some of them, you can just click on the pointer option. And then after making sure that everything is highlighted, we have to right click on it, click on the ungroup option. And then from here, you just want to select the outline of the image itself. So for example, if it's going to be this one, you could then color grade it by clicking on one of the colors right here. And then it will create a new highlight of that specific trace. So let's just disable the other outlines. And what we're left is with this head outline right here. So that's how you simply do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.